Good morning, class 11. Today I am going to start business study. The chapter name is Social Responsibility and Business Ethics. In 2021, business ethics is deleted from your syllabus or in this chapter. So today you have to understand what is the social responsibility. Business is a part of society, so business enterprise should do business and earn money from the society. The social responsibility related to the effort of the part of the businessman and whatever they contribute to the society, they are getting from the society. Businessmen make uses of the resources of the society, so they are giving social work to the society. And in another word, every businessman must do something for the society. Now, need and role of social responsibility. Long-term interests of the firm. A firm can improve its image and build goodwill in the long run when its highest goal is to be serve the society. If it will be unfair trade practice, then society will not allow the firm or company or business to survive in the society. And now next, justification of exist and growth. Business is the creation of society, therefore it should respond according to the demand of the society. To survive and grow in society for long run, business must provide continuous services to the society. Next one, avoidance of government regulation. Business can avoid the problem of government regulation by voluntarily assuming social responsibilities. Next one, availability of resources with business. Business has valuable financial and human resources which can be effective use of solving problem of the society. Next one, better environment for doing business. The social responsibility of business enterprise to provide better quality of life and standard of living of people, so business will get better community to conduct business. Now next one is the argument against social responsibility. Now first one is the profit motive. A business is an economic entity that is guided by profit motive. It should not waste its energies and resources in fulfilling social responsibilities. Next one is burden on consumers. Involvement of business in social responsibility involve a lot of expenditure which will ultimately be borne by the customer. Next one is lack of social skill. The business's firm and manager have the skill to handle business operation. They are not expert to tackle the social problem like poverty, overpopulation, etc. Therefore, social problem must be tackled by social expert. Lack of public support. General public does not like business involvement in social problem. Therefore, business cannot fulfill social responsibility because of lack of public confidence and cooperation. Business has interaction with several interested groups. What are they? Interested groups. Number one, responsibility towards shareholders. To ensure a fair and regular return on the investment of the shareholders. To ensure the safety of their business investment. To strengthen financial position of the company. Next, responsibility towards worker. Next one, providing fair compensation and benefit. Providing goods and safe working conditions. Next, to develop a sense of belongingness. Number third group, responsibility towards consumers. To supply right quantity of goods and services at a reasonable price to the consumer, consumer will get help from the business. Now, responsibility towards government. To how they responsible toward government? Pay taxes in time, to observe rules laid down by the government, to avoid corrupting government employees. Last one, responsibility towards community. To make available opportunities for employment, to avoid polluting the environment, to uplift the weaker section of the society. They are the interested group of social responsibilities. Business and environmental protection. Meaning of environment. The environment is defined as the totality of man's surrounding, both natural and man-made. Natural resources of land, water, air, and man-made. Culture, heritage, socio-economic institution, and people. Now, meaning of environmental population. It means injection of harmful substance into the environment. The greatest problem that industries and businessmen are creating is that of pollution, which is the result of industries, which is the result of industrial production. So, protection of environment is must. Now, causes of pollution. Many industrial organizations have responsible for causing air, water, land and noise pollution. Air pollution due to smoke, chemical emitted by factories, vehicle, it has created a hole in the ozone layer, leading to global warming. Water pollution due to chemical and waste dumped into the river, streams and lakes. It has led to the death of several aquatic animals and posed a serious problem to human life. Next, land pollution. Due to dumping of garbage and toxic wastes which affect the fertility of land and makes it unfit for agriculture. Noise pollution caused by the running factories and vehicles. Noise pollution can be responsible for many diseases like loss of hearing, violent behavior and mental disorder.